Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the options and how to turn on lift to wake option in Samsung Galaxy S22. We need to go to settings and advanced features, and here we have motions and gestures. And at the top we have the option to lift to wake. What does it do? Turn on the screen when you pick up your phone. Very straightforward. Let's turn it on right here and let's look if it's working as intended. And that's basically it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.